Assalamualaikum and welcome to the University of Larkana. In this video, I will guide you through the complete admission process from account registration to the final application submission. Please follow the each step. So first of all, open the admission portal. Type here admission.uolrk.edu.pk. So we need to register ourselves. So click on register now. Here you will create your account. So type your data here. Full name is Hasnan. Father name is Ali. Email is 912 internet. Nice number is WhatsApp number is password is click on submit application. So account created successfully. Now go to login page. Sorry, login panel and then use your CNIC and password. Okay. So we are applying for the bachelor. So click on the bachelor. Apply for the bachelors, and then here is our application. So first of all, we need to fill our personal information. The name is Chandyo and my date of birth is okay. So build group is you can fill it according to your own data. We'll upload your picture. Image size must be less than 500 KB. So uploaded. Guardian name is Ali. Relationship my father, and then teacher. Select a state. My state is Sindh, and then district is Larkana. It's optional, so leave. Area is urban. The WhatsApp number is mentioned, so let's check Larkana. Click on the next. Delete this spelling. Okay, so let me check the form. Okay, here now click on the next. Upload your CNIC and then CNIC front side, CNIC back side, and domicile form C. Okay. CNIC web form. You can upload your web form. Here is the back side of your CNIC is uploaded. I am uploading the dummy data. Additional documents, if you have domicile, I need to upload the domicile. And after that, simply click on the next. So in this session, you enter your academic qualifications. So it on new. First of all, I will add the matriculation and discipline was science and Larkana in the year of, and the roll number was 12200. The total marks was 850, and then I obtained out of 815. upload the transcript or mark sheet of your matriculation. Click on save and add another for your intermediate. And discipline was pre-medical. And the year of and the roll number was 11. Total mark was I obtained so now check your record and then save and next. Now category selection. In the category selection, you will select your category: open barrier, disabled person quota, girls quota, or self-finance, dual employee quota, or armed force quota. So I am applying on open merit. Keep it some and then 7 next. Okay. Choose a program that you are interested to get admission. I want to do software engineering. 8 programs you can add, maximum 17. And then base mathematics, 3 more. Mechanical engineering. Okay, so okay, now save and next. Here you can review your complete application. Save and next. Now download your challan. After downloading, you will pay it. There's my challan, and after that, ABL comment that upload the picture of challan. Suppose I am uploading this one. Any after paying. So now download it and review your application. Agree and submit. Yes, submit the application.